Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create this logo by using Canva. So in the last tutorial we talked about how to create this logo. So I will add a few details to look like this. So first of all, this is our last project. So I will remove the R&D and it will become like this. After that I will go to element and add a rectangle shape. So I will make it fit like this area. So by pressing control and the wheel you can maximize the dimensions. So this is, let's see, this is the first one. I will add a color, so let's choose a color, this one. So if you see, if I think it's okay. Now I will take this and duplicate it and put it here, the same as the one in here. So after that I can make this a little bit bigger. Now I will add like something like door and the window. So first of all, let's create a new element, rectangular shape, and I will choose a color. Then I will put it here, and then I will add another element, and which gonna be is a circle. I will choose the same color. Now sorry, I will adjust it a little bit. I will make this a bit smaller. I will put the circle like this. Let's see, here we can see a few material come outside. So I will make it fit to the circle. Okay, that's nice. Then I will shrink this to half. Then I will take a new rectangle. I will put the same color, sorry, white color. I will choose white color. Then I will take this and put it in the middle. I will try to put the middle. Yes, it's okay. I will put it here. Then let's see. Now it's okay. This is like you can see, this is a building, and this is a half door. Then so I will put a window in here. So I will add a new element, and I will put a rectangle. I will choose the same color. So I will put it. So let's see the picture. Yeah, the same color. So I will put the window here, and it should be like a square. Let me see what I put. Okay, I put here. So then I will add a new element, which is a line. So this is the line. Where's the line? This is the line. And the default you will see as a black color. So what I will do is I will change the color to the white color. So I will put this here in the middle of this circular shape. So I will duplicate it and rotate it 90 degrees like this, and I will put it in the middle also. So I will add a name. So I finished the design. So I will add my name here, but before that I will put these up a little bit in the middle here. Okay, now I will add my name, which is Ahmed Company. So I will add text, then heading. Let's write Ahmed Company. I will put Ahmed Company here, and I will try to change the font. So let's see which one should it fit. Let's see this one. Okay, this is nice. So I will take this and put it and maximize it a little bit like this, and I will change the same thing, the color, and here is my design. So you can modify the latest tutorial that I published in my YouTube channel and create this logo. So what you can see in this logo, like it's a real estate company which have a door, half door, and a window. And here you can see there's a rectangle. So after that, let's take this page, it's page 1. So I will click on share, then download, then don't change anything from the settings, just choose the first page. Choose the first page, which is this one. So I will click done and then download. After that, after I download it, I will take this and put it here, upload it here. Now let's create a new page, which is I have an empty page, which is page 3, and I take this design and I will maximize it to fit the page. After that, sorry, I have a few details here, I forget it, I don't know from where it comes. Let's see. No, there is no here such a thing, but here it's shown. I don't know why. Let's accept it like this because this is a tutorial. You can just drag it up a few bit to hide these details. Now let's take this and remove the background. Okay, I removed it and it already removed by itself. And now click share and then click download and choose and transparent background and the page, which is this page. Let's see, this is page 3. Download page 3 and choose transparent background, then download. After that, go to the website photo online photo editor and choose a template to make a 3D mockup. So let's find a nice mockup. I think it's down. Let's go down. I think this is what I already used, so I click on it. Then I will just wait a little bit. Now click on this, double click and hide it. Then choose the downloaded photo. This is the downloaded photo, put it here and try to maximize it a little bit. Then what happened? Sorry. Okay. Okay, now let's see, save and smart object. Then choose steel texture 3D logo, and this is the design. What do you think? Let's see. This is the design. I think it's okay because it describes many things. It's a real estate logo with a window and a door. It's a simple. You can add a few details as you like. After that, click on File, then Export As, and choose PNG file, and you can change the width and height. Click on Save, and this is the final result. Okay, thanks for watching and bye.